once you're elected to an office, you are expected, not only by the Constitution, by the people, to act on a certain ways. No? Kailangan, you have to maintain and uphold the integrity of your office. And similarly, we expect our fellow public servants to do the same. Ito pong sa impeachment case na ito, nasabi po kanina ni Boss Noy, na there are serious offenses, high crimes committed by a certain, by the Vice President. So we cannot turn blind eye and be more concerned about the possible backlash that it may cost us politically. Of course, that's a consideration. Sino ba naman po ang hindi nag-iisip ng ganun? But this is already an issue of being a public servant. Secondary line yung pagiging politician. It's a value judgment call, sabi nga ni na paano mo ihaharap ang sarili mo sa mga tao na sasabihin mong bawal ang mag-threat sa kapwa-tao. Much more kung isang sitting presidente. Paano mo ihaharap ang sarili mo at sabihin mo na dapat walang korupsyon sa bansa? Paano mo ihaharap ang sarili mo na bawal mag-bribe sa tulad nating kawani ng gobyerno kasi gusto lang natin makuha kung ano ang ninanais nating resulta? Paano natin ihaharap ang sarili natin sa ating taong bayan na sasabihin mong kung ang mandated na isang ahensya ang magbigay at mag-audit tapos binigyan ng mandato ng isang konstitusyon ang isang ahensya para kunin ito at suriin kung paano ginasta ang taong bayan, sabihin mong sabihin mong dapat i-uphold yun, paano namin iharap? Ako lang, I'm not speaking for the entire membership of the House. Paano ko iharap ang sarili ko sa aking mga botante if I turn a blind eye and just simply concern myself with the possible popularity that I may get once if I associate myself with who is popular and who has the tendency or the capacity to give me votes in the election. Hindi naman ho maganda sa isang serbisyo publiko na for the 3 years being a congressman na na-electa sa opisina na yun, na nagsumpa ka sa saligang batas, harap ng tao at harap ng Diyos, na itong mga ethics na dapat sundin ng isang serbisyo publiko ay babaliwalain mo lang just because you are more concerned of the popularity that you may get or the votes that you may get. Paano ho namin para sa akin, paano ko po iharap ang sarili ko sa aking mga botante if I turn blind eye on these high crimes that were committed blatantly under the sun, no? Kumbaga parang so much blatantly that we cannot even ignore to a point that I can no longer turn a blind eye on these allegations and just simply brush it off simply because I am from Mindanao. I think it's time for us to be more circumspect in really trying to approach the issue when it comes to a certain area na sasabihin natin na hindi to pwedeng gawin ng isang publiko na dapat ang magiging basis natin yung pagiging Pilipino natin rather than yung pagiging regionalistic po natin. I think it's high time that we should approach the issue based on our being patriotic as not just as a public servant but as a Filipino, because we are all of us are expected to uphold the Constitution, and it's our civic duty to promote yung decency in public office.